Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add blur behind in the background, behind a person, how you can blur the background. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So I'm just gonna grab the video, drag it into the timeline, and then what you have to do once you grab the video and drag it into the timeline, onto the timeline here, what you have to do actually is to grab two videos, the same videos, and then here what you have to do is head over to effects, and here in effects make sure you go to nightclub, and here in nightclub you should find, if you scroll a little bit down in nightclub, you should find something blur. Okay, you see here blur, and grab this blur and drag it over the first video that we have here, and now increase or decrease the blur up to your taste, you know, depends how you want, it's up to you. Change it the way you want. And then the second video, select the second video, this is the one with the blur, the second one is without blur. The second one, what you have to do is to click on cut out, and then here once you click on cut out, what you have to do is to select here auto cut out. Okay, now once you've done that, you just have to wait for the process to finish, and then grab the video and drag it onto the video over the first video. Okay, just drag it and put it exactly over the first video, and then what you have to do is, you should see this, you have blur in the background and you can see the person right here. Okay, so yeah guys, as you can see, now we have blur behind this person. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching now, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, so thank you for watching and take care.